everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie in the craft room and I have another subscription unboxing. This is a brand new subscription to me, and to be honest, I don't know much about it other than I was intrigued by the idea that it was a sampler subscription and the price was right, and I thought, why not give it a try? So I'm not sure what we'll be getting in here. I have not looked at all. I have unzipped it and that's it. It is from Scrapbook and Cards Today, which is normally known for being a paper craft magazine, but I guess they do have kits, and now they're doing this sampler pack. And so I have the website here just in case you're interested. Under Go To, you click on that and then scroll down to what you'll see is says SCT Sampler. Hopefully you can read that. And we'll just call this up here, and I'll just give you a little bit of information about it. So there is a video that highlights some of the things that will be in here, and it says, imagine a fun package delivered to your door every single month for only $12 a month. Oh, it's true, and it's a specially curated package of paper crafting goodness from your favorite companies. So that sounds pretty cool, right? So it says every month will surprise you with at least a dozen different hand-selected 6x6 papers and specially selected embellishments. So that's kind of cool, right? And then throughout the year you'll also be introduced to stamps, dyes, adhesives, etc. So it's really a sampler pack, like they talk about it. So it's not a traditional kit, it's bite-sized, so you're going to get small quantities of things. I would suspect it'll be things like part of a 6x6 pad, or like if you had brads, you would get like a row of brads or something like that. At least that's what I'm thinking will happen. So we'll see if that's really what happens, or what if I'm right in my guess, right? It's only $12 a month, which includes shipping to US and Canada. So that's pretty cool. It does not include taxes. So if there are taxes, that would have to be added. If you're international, it will be an additional $10, which is pretty steep, but I know that international shipping is very expensive. It says you'll also get a 10% off coupon to shop at scrapbook.com. Yay, love coupons. And also discounts with unique scrapbook shop in Canada, so that's good, and that's pretty awesome. What does it say here? The order period for February start is closed because they must pre-order stuff. So it looks like if you were interested and signed up for this today, you would start in March, and the close of the period is or the order period January 15th to 25th. So that's in the next, I guess within the next 2 weeks, you need to place your order if you would wish to start with March. And they do have different subscription terms. So the $12 a month is if you subscribe for 12 months. Otherwise, if you do half a year, it's $13.50, and then 3 months is $15. So just keep that in mind as I go through this, that it could cost you anywhere from $12 to $15 depending on what you are interested in. So there's more information on here. Be sure to check that out. It's scrapbookandcards.com, and then like I said, under the Go To, and then scroll down until you see the SCT Sampler. Okay, so enough about the logistics. Let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. That's it. Okay. So it comes in a Ziploc bag. So that's nice. Everything's nice and kept together. Now, I don't think it's necessarily a kit in that everything is necessarily meant to coordinate. At least I didn't get that impression. So don't be surprised if it doesn't coordinate. And let's see what we got. So first of all, there's a card. Hello, beautiful. Thank you for being the first to receive our new sampler. We're excited. And then they tell you what the products are. So that's cool. So we're going to get from American Crafts, the Stargazer Collection, the chipboard word. Now, I actually just purchased these just recently, and I don't know what I did with them. I don't think I filed them away yet. I think you get like 6 or 7 words in a pack, so you're just going to get one. So that's what they mean by a sampler. So it's real stuff, like real product that's out there today, but it's, oh yeah, here it is. This is the set. So in this one here, you get the words hello, magical, love, adventure, today, memories. So I'm only going to get one of those words as part of the sampler. So that's cool. Creative Devotion Collection, metal, clip, tassel, and vellum. Okay, Vicky Boutin, all good things, papers and ephemera, and then Basil cardstock. Oh, you even get from Close to My Heart. That's interesting. So Close to My Heart is a direct sales company where, you know, usually you go to a party, or you can order online, obviously, but usually it's through a demonstrator. My Life tab journal, cards, and assortment of sequins. From Simple Stories, papers and stickers from the Romance collection. From Tailored Expressions, limited edition stamps and die combo. And then an exclusive acrylic word hello from Freckled Fawn and SCT. Oh, this sounds very good. Okay, so let's have a look. So here's the sequins. They are a matte, and they are adhesive back, so that will make those really easy to use, like those. You get some of these, they're not chipboard, but they're heavy cardstock clips. I think this is from Vicky Boutin. So again, I would think that the pack would be more than this. I don't know exactly how many you would normally get, but what you're getting today, or what I'm getting today, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. So I would suspect that not everybody's going to get the exact same, because again, it's a sampler, so they're splitting up the pack, right? I don't know how many times I have to repeat that. It's kind of obvious, Melanie. So then we have a couple flare that says little things, and then this little sun, and it's like almost a rose gold maybe, or a copper background. I'm not sure who these would be from. I'm not sure on this one who the supplier or vendor or manufacturer is. So this is the acrylic hello from Freckled Fawn. That's cute. Here's the word. And I got memories. Oh, awesome. That's probably my favorite word of the kit. And this is a chipboard, but it is white paper covered, I guess. It's not shiny. So I've seen people have colored this with mists and paints and that kind of thing. So that would be really cool. Actually, what would be fun is if you used some of the deco foil adhesive and maybe foiled half of it. That would be kind of cool. This is the stamp set from Tailored Expressions. Oh, this is so cute. So it comes with the two characters skating and the word love, and then it has the die to cut out the images. It doesn't just say love. It says, what does it say? Love always. Yeah, that's what it says, love always. You can't see it on the package, but that's what it says, love always. Tailored Expressions stamps are, at least from my experience, have always been red rubbers. You get that nice crisp detail, which is great. Oh, I really like that. That's fun. And just in time for Valentine's, if you are so inclined. So that's cool. Oh, and then they've given you a $5 off coupon. Okay, that's cool. You get a notebook. So this is, who is this from? I'm not sure. Does it say? Paper Love, it says on the back. Okay, so it's a little journal, kind of like a traveler's notebook, but it is lined. That's pretty. I like that. Very nice. Here's the tassel. From Creative Devotion Collection. It does say we get some vellum and stuff, so you can add that as a clip on the book. Oh, here, this must be the vellum from that collection, and I suspect maybe this paper too. So these are stickers. They look like they are, I'm going to say, maybe 1.5 inches. Let's see how big they are. So 1.25 inches by 1.5 inches. Yeah, so that's probably close to the size of planners and stuff like that if you want to use, but you could use these for cards as well, or again to decorate your journal. This looks like this might be Simple Stories. from their romance collection. This is vellum, so I'm thinking this might be from Creative Devotion. And there's a 6x6. This is pretty thick vellum. Not cardstock, but not cardstock weight, but pretty thick. This is very thin. This is very thin. And it has like some brush stroke patterns on there. You can see that. Very pretty. And you get 2 sheets of that. You get a card base. That's what this looks like. Yeah, pretty thick. It's probably about 120, I'm guessing. Here are the journal cards, probably from Close to My Heart. That's what it looks like. And it looks like you only get 2 cards. And they're very neutral. And I would again suspect that depending on your kit, they're going to look a little bit different. And then we have some 6x6 paper, which my guess is from the Simple Stories or Vicki Boutin, I think, combination thereof. So we've got this heart. It is embossed. You can see that, a little bit shiny. And then, is that just one? Yeah, this is really thick. You can see really thick. This is a little bit thinner. It's got this pretty floral. And then on the other side is this kind of filigree motif. Here's another page with some wood grain in the back. And then it's got the postcards. Again, I think this comes from Simple Stories, is my guess. And that coordinates with that. And then, what is this one? What does it say? Together, hugs, always adore. Okay. And this one's got music notes and again that motif. And this I would say is from the Vicki Boutin line. It's kind of got her look to it. So a floral with polka dots and then the butterflies with another tone-on-tone floral in yellow. And then we get some basil cardstock. So that is the kit. So just to confirm, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think they're probably counting this as 9. And a card base. So not quite 12 6x6 papers, I think, which is what they had in this description. But that's okay. Because like I said, you do get the card base and the book as well, which is a lot of fun. So you get the paper, a card base, books, vellum, some journal cards, stickers, stamp set with a die, acrylic piece. I bet you this is from Vicki Boutin. The flare badges, some of the clips from Vicki Boutin. And I think what I like about it is that you're getting a sample that you could actually use, for instance, these items and make a page out of it. Obviously you would need like a 12x12 background or something if you're doing a larger scrapbook page, but you definitely have enough stuff here to make at least 1 or 2 pages. And then the sequins and then the word memories. So like I said, $12 if you order this as a yearly subscription, and I think it's up to $15 if you do just for 3 months. So up to you what you think the value of this. I think it's a pretty good deal. The stamp alone is probably worth $6, $7 bucks, maybe more, especially because it comes with the die. So yeah, I'm happy. Can't wait to use this, and if I do, I will share the project one of these days with you. And until next time, happy crafting.